guys, welcome back to vlogmas. My mom and my aunt are in town. We're going to the downtown Christkindlmarket like we do every year. So I'm gonna take you guys inside.
Turning yellow, the air is getting cold, my mind is feeling mellow, the days of fall are growing old, when I say that your arms should always be around.
Okay, so that was crazy. That was like the most people I've ever seen there in all my years of being here. My mom thinks it's because there's less weekends before Christmas this year, which is probably true, but it was crazy. I was here on Wednesday for a shoot, and then I went to the Wrigley one, which I'll put a link to that video too, which was so much smaller. They had security. This one, they didn't have security. We were barely moving. Like we stood for like 5 minutes, not moving at one point completely. Now I think we're gonna go shopping down here and go on Michigan and try to see more things because that was just ridiculous.
Holding on to the feeling of complete devotion. When I'm gone, I will leave behind my love for you, my dear. Hope and laughter closing in on me, bringing the joyful harmony. Tis the season to be young and free. Oh yeah.
So we walked around all downtown, actually ended up right at my old building, which is kind of funny. And now we are going to go back and pack, and I am going to St. Louis. Hope you enjoyed seeing downtown. I'll see you tomorrow for more vlogmas.